Are you happy? What are you doing up there, mister? Oscar, what are you doing down here?
Hey, what's up?
Oh, you want to ride too?
Should we see it? Should we let Oscar get a ride?
Do you want to ride?
Alright.
Trade babies!
Gotta turn around.
Charlie, you can do the sweeping.
1, 2, 3, up. Oh, do you need to get up now?
Oh.
Okay.
Gotta trade again?
Alright, we gotta turn around. Whoop. Okay, here we go. Oh. Oh, we gotta get down. Your brother wants a time. Sure. Here we go. Alright. Here we go.
Oh.
1, 2, 3. Oh.
Oh, you guys are hilarious.
You want another turn?
Hey, Charles. Charles. What's going on over there? Oh, you want to do that?
Okay.
Breaking it down, Oscar.
Alright, here he goes.
Oh my god, I can't get enough room back here to see all the funniness.
Oh, you want to get up now? You just got up. Alright, your brother seems like wants to go. Here we go.
Are you getting tired yet?
Yeah, it's pretty tiring. Jogging in place. With a little boy on your shoulders. Oh, what? What?
Hey, Charlie. Charlie, do your dance moves down here. Break it down, break it down. Let's see, let's see. Do a dance.
Here.